Designers. Design is a creative profession. Designers use their skills to create products, images, and ideas. They help make things look better and work well. The design profession is important because it affects many parts of our lives. From the clothes we wear to the websites we visit, everything involves design. There are many types of designers. Some focus on graphic design, which involves creating images, logos, and advertisements. Others specialize in fashion design, making clothes and accessories. Industrial designers create products like furniture, cars, and appliances. Interior designers plan the layout of rooms and buildings, making sure spaces are both functional and beautiful. Web designers build websites and apps, ensuring they are easy to use and visually appealing. No matter the type of design, all designers have one thing in common. They solve problems. A designer's job is to think about how something should look and work. For example, a graphic designer might need to create a logo that is simple yet memorable. A product designer might need to create a chair that is comfortable, durable, and attractive. Designers must think about the needs of the people who will use the products or see the designs. Designers often start by doing research. They look at what already exists and think about how to make it better. For example, if a designer is working on a new type of chair, they might look at different types of chairs to see what works and what doesn't. Research helps designers understand what people like, what is missing, and how they can make something better. After research, designers create sketches or models. These are early ideas that show what the final product might look like. For example, a fashion designer might draw a sketch of a new dress. A web designer might create a digital mock-up of a website. These sketches or models allow designers to experiment with different ideas before making the final product. Designers use a variety of tools in their work. In the past, designers would often use paper and pencils to create their sketches. Today, many designers use computers and special design software. These programs allow designers to create detailed models and images. For example, graphic designers use tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to create logos and advertisements. Industrial designers use programs like AutoCAD to build 3D models of products. Web designers use code and design tools to build websites and apps. One of the most important skills for a designer is creativity. Designers must be able to come up with new ideas and think outside the box. They need to find ways to make their designs stand out and be unique. However, creativity alone is not enough. Designers also need to be practical. They must make sure their designs work in real life and are useful to people. A design might look great on paper, but if it is not functional, it will not be successful. Communication is another key skill for designers. Designers often work with other people such as clients, engineers, or marketing teams. They must be able to explain their ideas clearly and listen to feedback. For example, a designer working with a company might need to present their ideas to a client. If the client doesn't like something, the designer needs to understand why and make changes. Designers must also pay attention to detail. Every part of a design matters, from the colors to the shapes to the materials. A small change in color can make a big difference in how a product looks or feels. For example, a fashion designer might choose a specific fabric for a dress because it feels soft and looks luxurious. An interior designer might choose a specific shade of paint because it makes a room feel calm and relaxing. The design profession requires education and training. Many designers study design in school, where they learn about art, history, and different design techniques. They also learn how to use design software and tools. Some designers specialize in a certain type of design, like graphic design or industrial design. After school, many designers start as interns or junior designers, working for companies to gain experience. Designers also need to keep learning throughout their careers. Trends in design change quickly, and new tools and technologies are always being developed. A good designer stays up to date with these changes. They read design magazines, attend workshops, and follow other designers to see what is popular and new. Learning never stops in the design profession. Working as a designer can be both challenging and rewarding. One of the challenges is coming up with new ideas. Sometimes designers have to work under pressure to meet deadlines or solve difficult problems. For example, a client might want a design finished by a certain date, and the designer needs to work quickly. Another challenge is dealing with criticism. Not everyone will like every design, and designers need to be able to handle feedback and make changes. Despite the challenges, many designers find the profession rewarding. They get to use their creativity every day and bring their ideas to life. There is a lot of satisfaction in seeing a finished product that started as just an idea. Whether it's a new logo, a piece of furniture, or a building, designers take pride in knowing they created something that people will use and enjoy. The design profession is also very flexible. Designers can work in many different industries, from fashion to technology to entertainment. Some designers work for large companies, while others work as freelancers, taking on different projects for various clients. Freelance designers often have the freedom to choose the types of projects they want to work on and set their own schedules. Technology is changing the design profession in many ways. With the rise of digital tools and online platforms, designers can work from anywhere in the world. For example, a graphic designer can create a logo for a client in another country without ever meeting in person. Web designers can build websites for companies around the globe. This has opened up many new opportunities for designers to work with clients from different industries and cultures. Sustainability is also becoming an important part of the design profession. Many designers are thinking about how to create products that are better for the environment. For example, a product designer might use recycled materials to create a new product. A fashion designer might focus on making clothes that last longer and reduce waste. Designers are finding ways to make their work more sustainable and help protect the planet. In conclusion, the design profession is a creative and dynamic field. Designers use their skills to solve problems, create products, and make the world a more beautiful and functional place. The profession requires creativity, communication, and attention to detail. While it can be challenging, it offers many rewards and opportunities for those who are passionate about design. Whether they are creating clothes, websites, or furniture, designers play an important role in shaping the world around us.